Doing rear brakes on a 2009 Nissan Altima. Okay, what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it a little different here. I'm gonna compress my caliper with my pry bar. I'm gonna stick it in here, in between the pad and the rotor. Let me get a little light, if you can see that any better. See, I got the pad. What I'm gonna do, I'm just pry the pad out. And so now my rotor is all, my caliper is always compressed. So now I don't have to worry about compressing it when I remove the caliper. Okay, now we're gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna remove that top bolt right there. It's oily, that's good. That means my pin isn't sticking. And I'm gonna roll it back. See, we got it compressed right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these old pads here. Wow, that back one don't look that good. Okay, we're gonna replace the hardware on this right here. So I'm gonna pop my hardware out. And you always check your hardware to make sure you're going back with the same hardware. Yeah, that looks like it, because it comes with multiple different. Okay, that look right there. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure you press your hardware in all the way. If not, you'll have problems putting your pads in. Pressing in good. Okay, now we're gonna go get this top in. Okay, make sure it's pressed in all the way. As you notice, I didn't take my bottom bolt out of my caliper. And we're gonna go ahead and slide the new pads in. Okay, well, guess I'm gonna put that one back. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna lean me in the back as a little. Oh, perfect. Let me double check, make sure everything good. And what we're gonna do, we didn't remove the bottom bolt, so I'll roll my caliper back up. And we're gonna feed our brake caliper screw pin in, get it started with our hand. Make sure the rubber is all the way back up on there, because you don't want any dirt or debris to get in there. And we're gonna hit it lightly with our ratchet here. We ain't gonna hit it too hard, I'm sorry. And then we're gonna torque it. We're gonna torque it on 30 foot-pounds, right there. And now we go inside and hit the brakes a few times to distribute the fluid back to the caliper, and that's it for a 2009 Nissan Altima rear brakes. Thank you.